MT Hornet modified into fluorescent yellow color with buffalo visor and MT-15's headlights, Honda Hornet with MT-15 headlights and buffalo visor. Tell us how does it look? How did you find the bike? Thank you. Signing off. Have a look at the bike in the video further.
What?